Alright, this is from the front of the house. Up here is where we're going to have a tree come down. You can drive across the front yard right here over the curb. We had a big cherry picker come back here and stopped right here at the fence, or actually right here. This fence can be taken down. We've already done it. To open up this, to get the track hoe back here. They came back and removed a big tree branch off here that was hanging over the house and fell on the house. Anyway, this is the backyard. And that tree leaning is the one we want down. Just to the right of the corner of that fence, about 6 feet. Plenty of room to get through here. Plenty of room to get through here. So we're going to take this pampas down. And there's the leaner. Here's the back of the house. And there's the tree. This is the dog's pen. This was put up with sections with screws, so I can take all these out except for the 4x4s. And might want to have that one leaning branch going out over the carport in the house taken down, but I don't know.